It's a crazy world. In LA, when it's raining all damn day, and you know I'm staying here with my girl and friends today. It's raining hard on now. We'll smash around in it. It's raining hard on now. You know it's raining all damn day. It's raining hard on now. Yeah, we splash around. It's raining hard on now. Yeah, there's magic in the sky. The sun is peeking through. Well, the clouds say, come on in. People enjoy the lovely view. Well, the California girls, they're giving me those devil eyes. The fire to the Venus, putting me into a dream, and that's what we call the all-time high. The clouds are rolling, and looking like an army so in. We're headed towards the dome, my friend. We're back inside again. It's a crazy world. In LA, when it's raining all damn day, and you know I'm staying here with my girl and friends today. It's a crazy world. In LA, when it's raining all damn day, and you know I'm staying here with my girl and friends today. It's a crazy world. In LA, when it's raining all damn day, you best believe I'm staying here with my girl and friends today. It's a crazy world. In LA, when it's raining all damn day, and you know so when we played it before, we didn't do that part, but I know because you've been studying the recording, that part where it's a crazy world, that those, what do they call, the triplets or whatever they are?
Something like that. It changes the time thing on it. I didn't know if you did it or not, so I was like, caught me off.
And in the end, in that part where,
and you lengthened that one section.
and you know,